Let's discuss insane Amazon products you can actually own. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Malami S'mores Sticks, the perfect solution for roasting marshmallows, hot dogs, and even veggies with ease. These 32-inch stainless steel skewers are designed for durability and safety, using non-toxic 18/8 304 stainless steel for a rust-free, long-lasting experience. With telescoping arms and double-pronged tips, your marshmallows won't spin out of control, and the smooth wooden handles ensure no burnt fingers. Bonus, these sticks are safe for kids, keeping them a safe 32 inches from the fire. The set even comes with a zippered, heat-resistant pouch for easy storage. Pros: durable stainless steel, telescoping design, safe for kids, easy to clean and store, fun, multicolored handles for easy ID. Cons: only 5 sticks in the pack, might be too long for smaller fire pits. Next, have it HVF 2056 cooling pad is here to save the day. Designed for laptops from 15.6 inches to 17 mAh, this sleek, lightweight cooler features 3 ultra-quiet fans to keep your device cool without any distracting noise. The metal mesh surface provides a stable and durable base, while the adjustable height settings double as an ergonomic stand for comfortable typing and viewing. Plus, it's equipped with extra USB ports for added convenience. This ultra-portable cooler is perfect for on-the-go laptop protection. Pros: slim and portable, ultra-quiet fans, ergonomic design with adjustable height, extra USB ports. Cons: requires a USB to USB cable. Type-C users need an adapter. May not fit smaller laptops. Next, SHASHIBO shape-shifting box takes fidgeting to a whole new level. With 36 rare earth magnets and over 70 possible shapes, this award-winning puzzle cube stimulates your mind and senses with its endless creative possibilities. Made from premium injection-molded plastic with mesmerizing patterns, it's designed to fit comfortably in your hand for hours of mind-bending fun. Whether you're challenging yourself to master its shape-shifting abilities or connecting multiple cubes for larger 3D structures, SHASHIBO offers endless entertainment. It's also a perfect gift that soothes stress and nerves with every satisfying click. Pros: innovative design, over 70 shapes, durable construction, vibrant patterns, can connect multiple cubes. Cons: learning curve to master shapes, only one design per box. Next, JYX Karaoke Machine has got you covered. This portable PA system delivers HD stereo sound with a built-in 5.25 subwoofer and 2 tweeter for clear, powerful audio that won't distort, even at high volumes. Whether you're streaming music via Bluetooth 5.0, connecting a guitar, or using a TF card or USB, this machine has endless versatility. It also includes 2 wireless microphones, a remote control, and a fun touch with colorful LED disco lights that will set the party mood. Lightweight and portable, it comes with a shoulder strap, making it easy to carry anywhere, from your living room to the beach. Plus, with a long-lasting rechargeable battery, you'll have hours of non-stop entertainment. Pros: superb sound quality, multiple connectivity options, wireless microphones, portable and lightweight LED party lights. Cons: only 8 hours of music playtime on a full charge. TWS mode requires 2 units for stereo surround. Next, Fanx East wireless presentation clicker is the perfect choice. This all-in-one gadget comes with a telescopic pointer stick that extends up to 25 inches, perfect for keeping your audience's attention. It also features a touchscreen stylus pen for smooth interaction with devices and notes, while the built-in LED digital display shows battery life and includes a countdown timer, so you stay in control. With a 100-foot wireless range, adjustable light brightness, and support for up to 10 devices, it's ideal for teachers, lecturers, and professionals who need seamless presentations across multiple platforms like Mac, PC, or laptops. Plus, it's rechargeable and can last up to 7 days on a single charge. Pros: telescopic pointer for added visibility, touchscreen stylus, long wireless range, rechargeable LED display with countdown timer. Cons: limited light brightness settings, learning curve for all the functions. Which gadget do you like the most? I'd love to know your choice, so comment below. Next, Sharper Image Electric S'mores Maker, your new favorite gadget for year-round marshmallow roasting. Perfect for family gatherings, date nights, or parties, this flameless tabletop roaster allows you to enjoy the classic s'mores experience without the hassle of outdoor fires. Featuring an electric range that heats marshmallows marshmallows evenly. This kit includes everything you need for a fun night: 6 roasting skewers and a 4-compartment serving tray to keep marshmallows, chocolate, and crackers neatly organized. Built with a combination of stainless steel and easy-to-clean plastic, this s'mores maker is durable, stylish, and low maintenance. Just give it 25 minutes to reach the perfect roasting temperature, and you're all set to enjoy perfectly toasted marshmallows. Pros: safe for indoor use. No need for flames. Includes 6 skewers and organized serving tray. Durable stainless steel build. Fun for family and parties. Cons: requires 25 minutes to heat up. Marshmallows and s'mores ingredients not included. Next, Arc Star Floating Speaker. This innovative speaker hovers above its magnetic base, creating a stunning visual display while delivering 360-degree sound that fills the room. With a powerful output of 8 watts and a frequency response down to 20 hertz, your music comes alive like never before. Not just a speaker, the floating orb doubles as a smartphone charger with a USB port in the base, ensuring your devices are always powered up while you jam out. Plus, with Bluetooth and NFC connectivity, you can connect wirelessly from up to 10 meters away. The added green light feature enhances its futuristic vibe, making it a fantastic conversation starter at any gathering. Pros: unique floating design, 360-degree surround sound, smartphone charging capability, easy connectivity via Bluetooth and NFC, eye-catching aesthetic. Cons: wireless range limited to 10 meters, sound quality may vary depending on the environment. Next, Everlasting Comfort Boot Dryer, your new best friend for fast-drying footwear. This innovative boot dryer uses advanced heat blower technology to dry your boots in just 80 minutes, significantly quicker than traditional methods. Perfect for work boots, sneakers, gloves, helmets, and even boxing gloves, its hybrid forced air system ensures that moisture and odors are eliminated safely and effectively. The extendable tubes make it a breeze to pack for travel, while the built-in heat switch and 180-minute auto timer offer convenience and peace of mind. With thoughtful features like a sloped base and drip trays, you can keep your space tidy while ensuring your gear is always ready for action. Pros: fast drying in 80 minutes, multifunctional for various gear, compact and travel-friendly, easy-to-use features, effective odor elimination. Cons: limited to 1 pair of shoes at a time, may require more space than a standard shoe rack. Next, Hohem Steady M6 Kit Gimbal Stabilizer, a must-have tool for any content creator. This 3-axis gimbal features an innovative AI tracking sensor that effortlessly keeps your subject in focus without the hassle of Bluetooth connections or app limitations. The adjustable magnetic fill light offers a range of cool and warm tones, plus 360 RGB ambient colors, so you can shine in low light conditions. With its 7T-Gen iSteady stabilization algorithm, say goodbye to shaky footage as you capture stunning smooth shots, whether you're vlogging, filming a passion project, or taking selfies. The exciting new Inception mode allows for 360 degrees vertical rotation, giving you creative freedom to capture dynamic angles like never before. Pros: exceptional stabilization technology, innovative AI tracking, customizable fill light, long battery life with reverse charging, unlimited shooting angles, and versatility with various attachments. Cons: requires initial setup and balancing, might be overwhelming for beginners, and could be heavier for prolonged handheld use. Next, rechargeable headlamp 2-pack, featuring an impressive 1200 lumens of super bright LED light, with 12 different modes, including a smart motion sensor for easy on-off operation and a memory function that remembers your last mode. You'll have the flexibility to tackle any situation. The headlamps are lightweight, durable, and adjustable, with a comfortable elastic band that fits both adults and kids, making them perfect for the whole family. Plus, the Type-C rechargeable battery ensures you won't be left in the dark for long. Pros: extremely bright with 1200 lumens, motion sensor for hands-free operation, multiple lighting modes for different situations, adjustable and comfortable fit, quick charging with Type-C. Cons: battery life may vary depending on the mode used, potentially cumbersome for extended wear. If not adjusted correctly, that's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.